In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal account without using a phone number. This process is straightforward and should take no longer than 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the PayPal homepage. Once you're there, you need to locate the sign up button. It's typically found at the top right corner of the page, so go ahead and click on it. This will start the process of setting up your new account. Now, you'll be prompted to choose between two types of accounts, personal or business. For our purposes today, you'll want to select personal account. Personal accounts are designed for shopping and transferring money and are perfect for most users. So select Get Started to move on to the next step. At this stage, you'll need to provide some basic information. Start by entering your email address. Choose an email that you have easy access to, since PayPal will use this for communication and verification purposes. After that, create a secure password. It's important to use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. After the password is set, fill out your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and address. Accuracy is key here to avoid any issues later on. Once you've filled out all the required information, you'll come to the Terms and Conditions page. Make sure you have a quick read through so you understand PayPal's policies. After you're comfortable with the terms, click on Agree and Create Account. Congratulations, you've just created your account. Next, check your email inbox, as you should receive a message from PayPal that includes a verification link. This is a crucial step because verifying your email confirms your identity and allows you to utilize all the features of your new account. Simply open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, you're good to go. However, there's an optional step you might consider taking, which is linking a bank account or debit card to your PayPal account. Doing so allows you to send and receive money seamlessly. If you decide to do this, PayPal will guide you through the linking process once you're logged in. And that's it. You've successfully set up a PayPal account without needing a phone number. Now you can enjoy the benefits of online payments and money transfers with ease. I hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy guides like this one.